Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Anisha and welcome to my art channel. So, in this video, I am going to teach you how to draw what? How to draw a nose. Let's get jump into the video. So, basic shape of our nose is a tetrahedron. So, first thing we have to draw a tetrahedron. So, how to draw a tetrahedron? I am drawing it right here. You can see. Even you can Google a tetrahedron, or you can observe your nose and understand its shape. Human nose shape is a tetrahedron with round edges. So, as we know, we have this nose bridge, which is the most highlighted area of a nose. According to a tetrahedron principle, you can see what is going on here. This is the most highlighted area. This is called nose bridge. Then we have nostrils. This is the most darker area, and we have to draw this nose perfectly. If the nose is not perfect, then portrait might look different. So we don't want this. So we have to draw a nose perfectly. First thing, we have to draw two parallel lines. Simple two parallel lines with equal lengths, almost equal lengths. Then we have to draw a circle bottom of those parallel lines. After drawing this circle, we have to draw two small size circle, almost half of the main circle's area. We have to draw two small circles, which I have drawn here. Then joined it with a curved line. Okay. Then we have to shade this according to circles principle or spheres principle. That means one side will be extreme dark and one side will be extreme highlighted. So at this system we have to shade this nose. You can see what is going on over here. First thing, we have to just simplify the overall subject. That means we have to draw several straight lines and try to find out the exact shape. First, this straight line process, then make this straight line little bit curved according to our reference image. For drawing any kind of object, any kind of thing, you have to observe this object first, then try to draw. Put 10 to 15 minutes to observe your subject, then try to draw it. That is the main principle of drawing something or improving something. Now, in this particular case, we are using a 3/4 perspective of a nose, and this right side of this nose is extremely dark, so we are putting some dark values over here, and left side is little bit lighter. Then we have to put light shade over here and gently blend them together and put a sharp highlight at this center at the nose bridge. So this is very simple, and we can see one nostrils over here, and the rest of this portion is hidden. So we have to draw one nostrils and nose bridge, and we have to shade accordingly. Now I think you can understand what is going on, and it is not mandatory to blend all these things. I hope you can understand what is going on. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video, and take care. Bye bye.